Imagine mastering a new skill in days instead of months. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. With the right strategies, you can fast track your learning process and become proficient in no time. Whether it's learning a language, picking up an instrument, or coding, the secret isn't magic, it's science. Today, I'll share the exact steps you can follow to learn any skill faster than you ever thought possible. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your goal with precision. First things first, get specific about what you want to achieve. Don't just say, I want to learn guitar. Instead, set a clear goal like, I want to learn how to play 3 beginner songs in the next 2 weeks. Why? Because a vague goal leads to vague results. A clear, measurable target gives you something tangible to work toward, and that clarity fuels motivation. Pro tip, write your goal down and keep it visible. This small step can dramatically increase your commitment and focus. And here's the kicker. The more precise your goal, the more excited your brain gets about tackling it. Vague ideas leave room for procrastination, while specific goals demand action. It's the difference between saying, I'll exercise more, versus, I'll run a mile every morning at 7 a.m. for 2 weeks. Specificity is your superpower. Step 2. Focus on the 20% that delivers 80% of results. The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, is your best friend here. When learning a new skill, focus on the 20% of techniques or knowledge that will give you 80% of the results. For example, if you're learning a language, start with the most commonly used 1,000 words. If you're learning to cook, master a few basic techniques like chopping and sautéing. The idea is to focus on what matters most and skip the fluff. This not only saves you time, but also gives you quick wins that build confidence. Let's break it down further. When you zero in on the essentials, you're eliminating unnecessary distractions. In any skill, there's always a core that delivers most of the results. Your job is to identify that core and hit it hard. Think of it as trimming the fat to get to the meat of the matter. Step 3. Break it down into bite-sized pieces. Big goals can feel overwhelming, but breaking them into smaller, actionable steps makes them manageable. Instead of thinking about mastering the piano, start with learning a single chord progression. Instead of trying to build an entire app, begin with coding a simple Hello World program. Each small victory creates momentum, and before you know it, you'll have tackled a mountain of progress one step at a time. Remember, consistency beats intensity every time. Breaking things down doesn't just simplify the process. It also makes success feel attainable. Imagine staring at a 500-piece puzzle versus starting with one corner. Which feels easier? Always focus on one piece at a time, and the big picture will come together naturally. Step 4. Use the power of focused practice. Not all practice is created equal. Focused practice, or deliberate practice, is where the magic happens. This means working on your weak points, pushing yourself just outside your comfort zone, and being intentional about improvement. For instance, if you're learning to play basketball and struggle with free throws, spend your practice time drilling those specific shots. Don't just mindlessly repeat the skills you're already good at. Challenge yourself. The more uncomfortable your practice, the faster you'll improve. And here's the catch. Focused practice requires mental energy. That's why shorter, high-quality sessions beat long, unfocused ones. Think of it like sharpening a knife. Precision matters. Step 5. Create a learning schedule and stick to it. A skill isn't learned in a single marathon session. It's built over time with consistent effort. Dedicate specific blocks of time each day to practice your skill. Whether it's 30 minutes or 2 hours, the key is consistency. Make it non-negotiable by treating it like an important meeting. Show up even when you don't feel like it. Remember, the path to success is paved with small daily actions. Let's be real. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline gets the job done. By committing to a schedule, you're telling yourself that this matters, and your brain will start to prioritize it. Step 6. Use feedback loops. Feedback is the fastest way to learn. Without it, you might unknowingly repeat the same mistakes. Seek out constructive criticism from teachers, peers, or even apps that provide instant feedback, like language learning platforms or online coding environments. Here's a tip. Don't just tolerate feedback, actively crave it. The more you refine your approach based on what you're doing wrong, the quicker you'll progress. Remember, mistakes are just data. And here's the thing. Constructive feedback is a gift, not a criticism. It's what separates good learners from great ones. Step 7. Visualize success. Your brain doesn't distinguish much between real and imagined practice. Visualizing yourself performing a skill activates the same neural pathways as actually doing it. Before practicing, close your eyes and imagine yourself executing the skill flawlessly. Athletes use this trick all the time. It's like a mental dress rehearsal that prepares your brain for the real thing. The more vividly you imagine it, the more effective it becomes. Visualization isn't just wishful thinking, it's mental training. By practicing success in your mind, you're setting yourself up for success in real life. Step 8. Leverage technology and tools. We live in an age where you have access to countless tools that can supercharge your learning. YouTube tutorials, online courses, apps, and forums are all incredible resources. Don't try to figure everything out on your own. Stand on the shoulders of giants. For example, if you're learning a new language, apps like Duolingo or Memrise can gamify the process and keep it fun. If you're learning to code, platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp offer guided lessons. Technology is your shortcut. Use it. Plus, many tools provide built-in feedback, so you can track your progress in real time. Step 9. Practice in real-world scenarios. The fastest way to solidify a skill is to use it in real-life situations. For example, if you're learning to speak Spanish, start having conversations with native speakers, even if you're not fluent yet. If you're learning photography, start taking photos in different settings and lighting conditions. Real-world application not only reinforces what you've learned, but also shows you where you need to improve. It's the ultimate test of your progress. Think of real-world practice as turning theory into action. It's where the magic happens. Step 10. Embrace the 80% rule. Perfectionism is the enemy of progress. Instead of aiming for 100% mastery right away, aim for 80%. Get good enough to be functional and then refine as you go. This mindset not only reduces pressure, but also keeps you moving forward. For instance, if you're learning to cook, don't stress about creating a Michelin star dish on your first try. Just focus on making something edible and tasty. Improvement will come naturally as you gain more experience. Progress over perfection. Always. Step 11. Stay motivated with rewards. Learning a new skill can feel like a grind at times, so keep your motivation high by rewarding yourself. Every time you hit a milestone, treat yourself to something you enjoy. Whether it's a favorite snack, a break, or even a mini celebration. Rewards create a positive feedback loop that reinforces your effort. You'll not only look forward to practicing, but also enjoy the process. And here's the bonus. When you associate learning with positive emotions, your brain is more likely to keep showing up. There you have it, the ultimate guide to learning a skill in days, not months. The truth is, anyone can become a rapid learner with the right mindset and techniques. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on progress over perfection. Remember, the skills you learn today can open doors you never imagined tomorrow. So, pick something you've always wanted to learn, apply these steps, and watch yourself transform. Whether it's personal growth, career advancement, or just having fun, there's no limit to what you can achieve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little push to start their learning journey. Let's make growth a habit, one skill at a time. See you in the next video, and happy learning.